I woke up with like a little bit of a stuffy nose, but today I'm going to do laundry. I actually have a few loads that I have a lot of loads, to be honest, that I need to do. Look at the two. So cute. She did pretty good last night. She didn't meow too much. I mean, I know it's not like she can't help it, but Deklan and Cliff had like a little sleepover out here. So Deklan was out here. So Cliff came in like maybe 30 minutes ago. So I had the whole bed to myself, so I slept pretty good. I just moved a lot. And then baby moves, I move. So but I am going to work on this corner of craziness and then get that done, and then move that table over there to over here, set it up, get it all ready. So yeah, and I got a Powerade in the fridge. But I'm gonna sit here for a minute, wake up, drink the Powerade, probably find something to snack on, and then go to bed. Get started. I have someone who needs me. So Cliff is awake, but I have just this wall to do, and then I'm going to move the couch. If anybody knows me, I like to move stuff around, so moving the couch. Well, Cliff most likely will, because he'll be mad if I move the couch. So I'm gonna empty this out. This is actually going in Deklan's room, so I have to empty that out, but I'll just move that for now. I have to go through all that. I don't know what's in that. Pretty much all of that over there is Goodwill, and then the green box is the Deklan's too small clothes. So, and then just these that I gotta put up when Deklan wakes up. Then there's a Ninja, the cheese balls I was just eating. Yep. Say good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Wait.
He's been up for a little bit.
But there's something right here.
Oh, I guess let me show you guys what I've done. So this is where Deklan's toddler bed used to be, but Cliff is going to help me make it into something. Garrett, I found the key. And then everything else besides that. What is up with that window? There we go. And the TV's right there. That window is just so, oh, it's because it's open. I was like, that window is so bright. Yeah, and then that's my next task. After I put away all of the laundry, since someone else won't. Guys, so I don't know if you can see me. Here, I'll open up my laptop. So I found out my younger brother is going to be moving out of state, so he might come see us this week before he moves. And then I find out what I'm having on Thursday, so 4 more days. Okay. And then I also get to we were gonna do a gender reveal party, but we decided not to. It was just easier not to, so we're not doing that. And then I did too much earlier, so I'm not feeling the best. And luckily I have an amazing husband who has been hanging out with his son and, you know, normal dad stuff. I mean, they usually do on Sundays because it's like father-son time. But now Deklan is in his room. I am in our room and Cliff is playing a game. It is 3:30. I pretty much came in here late down about 1:30, and I watched a lot of vlogs actually. So I felt like for a while I kind of missed like a bunch of stuff, and so yeah, oh my god, my head. But I'm gonna continue laying down and keep you guys updated. But I'm happy with the living room. Of course, right now it's kind of a mess because it started halfway through. But yeah, and the house is finally going together. I'm gonna talk to Cliff about getting the new table on Thursday because we'll already be out there. So yep. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh, and baby's moving, so that's always good. Makes me feel better. Alright, bye. You may hear Deklan in the background, but Cliff and I are gonna have tomato soup and grilled cheese or grilled ham and cheese for dinner. I'll figure out what Deklan wants in a minute. Where are my chips? Hold on. Do you know where my salt and vinegar chips are?
Green shelf?
On the green shelf? Okay. Oh, yep. There they are, right in front of me. He was right. But I'll figure out what Deklan wants in a minute. I don't know what's up. I think it's probably because I haven't really eaten today. It's like one of those off days that I feel like I need to eat, but then when I eat, I just get super nauseous. Pregnancy does it to you. But I thank Cliff for letting me just be lazy and lay in the bed, and I really don't have many days like that. I mean, I did do a ton in the living room. Like I said, I still have a little bit to do in the living room, but we're getting there. And then when we find out what we're having, I get to finally set up a little bit more in our room, because the baby will be in our room just for a little bit because we are in a 2-bedroom. But with the way it's going, so is Deklan, because I mean we've always on and off co-slept, but I've always tried to get him to be in his room most of the time. But in his life for the past year, he had co-slept with us because he only had one area to sleep in, which was with us. So now we're kind of like his thing where he's just like, okay, well, I want to be with you guys. So he is spending a lot more time in his room, which makes me really happy. He's watching, I think Cliff let him watch some YouTube, but after that he has to switch. Once he eats, he's probably gonna say peanut butter and jelly, but once he eats, he's going to get in the bath, and then it's time to watch a movie and go to bed. But right now it's only 5 o'clock, so, and he won't go to bed with the sun up, and the sun doesn't set here till freaking 9 o'clock. It's unbelievable. So I'm breaking out. I think I did break out with Deklan around the same time, and I will do a pregnancy update, but for 17.5 weeks, because I want the gender to be in my update. So yeah, but yep, I'm gonna go back to watching my shows. I call them my shows. It's really just a bunch of people on YouTube because I'm in between shows right now. I finished Orange is the New Black, so if you have another show, please let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some salt and vinegar chips because they sound good. Okay, so I had commented on this video because someone, I always like go through the comments when I'm watching a video. So I had commented on somebody else's video. Declan's really upset. But for one, congratulations to Tribe Tyler, even though he will never see this. But where is my comment? Okay, so apparently it's not working there, but on my previously read notifications, this person had commented and asked why they had picked their wedding date for the same weekend as VidCon. Well, I had commented wedding date was picked first, VidCon date was picked later. And Tribe Tyler, he commented, I picked VidCon weekend as a prank. And I was like, even better, you know, joking. And then somebody said, well, at AdamsFamilyTV, LO, obviously you're wrong. I was like, well, sorry, that's what somebody else told me. Sorry. And then Tribe Tyler comments, you were right. I like messing with goofballs. Like, I don't know what it is, but his comment made me laugh because it was just like, oh my god, Tribe Tyler actually like replied to me. Oh my gosh, I have watched him since I don't know when. I think around the time that he started his channel, because he's doing it like every day in his 20s, and I started doing YouTube around the same time he did. No, I don't know. I found it like a few years ago. So I'm gonna comment back, be like, congratulations, and like, love you guys and congratulations, like, yay. But I'm sorry, I just had to say that because it's just funny. I know, baby. It's just funny because I had Chan Fam the other day and then Tribe Tyler, so I'm feeling kind of cool right now. Just saying. What you playing?
Sorry, bro.
Ninja's just chilling. So I'm vlogging. Oh, no. I forgot to put away last night's dinner. So now I have hard mac and cheese in a bowl or a pan. So I'm about to cook dinner. All the way up. And then dinner, and then Cliff and I are gonna watch the Revenant, whatever it is. So the big question is, I was gonna empty the dishwasher, put all those in there. Okay. Big question is, do you want a ham and cheese, a turkey and cheese, or just a grilled cheese?
A ham and cheese.
A ham and cheese.
You upset as a kitty.
Huh?
You upset as a kitty.
I'm sorry. She's fine. And you upset as a child. He looks pretty mad over there. What'd you do?
I told him to turn off the game and we're gonna watch a movie.
He'll be okay. He's already in the bed soon anyway. So dirty. Ready? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. You ready? Okay. The deck. You have to take one right now. Pause it.
Pause your shot.
So my battery is dying and we're pretty much just gonna watch a movie and go to bed. So I guess I should go ahead and end the vlog. And so it's good night. Say good night.
For what?
To YouTube.
Good night.
It's like whatever. Good night, guys. See you guys tomorrow.